Okay, so today, day 3 of the challenge. And the question I received was, why do I still have to go to a vet when I can use Photonic Therapy? Well, the fact is the following. You don't want to just torch the symptoms, you want to deal with the origin of the problem. So at this moment I am at my vet's practice, yes, and so I go with my rescues. I go to the vet for some blood checks, to have an x-ray taken, for an MRI, whatever is needed. If it's a young dog that I've rescued, I will go for vaccines and so on. But my vet is what I would call is my best friend, because he is the one who's going to diagnose what's going on with the animals. And with that diagnosis that my vet has made, that will let me know which points I have to use exactly to help my pets. So the x-ray from the vet will tell me, for example, that the pet has arthritis or arthrosis or a disc problem. And from there, I can do the specific points to relieve the pet from pain, to lower the inflammation in the body, and to make sure that enough endorphins are being released so the pet can heal in cases that where healing is possible, or at least will feel a lot better. Okay, so no, Photonic Therapy is not something you're just gonna use by yourself and never do anything else. No, the best way to use this is by talking to your vet and making sure that you get a correct diagnosis from your vet. You need him. So please remember, Photonic Therapy is to be used post-diagnostically. Make sure your vet stays your best friend, because he's the one who's going to help you with your pets. Okay? See you tomorrow.